Morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm at the marina in Long Beach. I caught some live anchovy. So that's the bait that we're going to be using today. Let me give you a 360 view of the marina Long Beach. Right now it's high tide. Check it out. All right, stay tuned. Okay, let me give you a view of another part of the marina. Like I said, today's high tide, so wish me luck. Come here. Here's my anchovy I just caught earlier. Oh wow. There you go. So this could be our bait for today. Live anchovy. All right. Live anchovy here. Okay. It's so fragile. They are so fragile. That's it. There you go. Well, hopefully we can catch some halibut today. We'll see. All right. That's it. So far, nothing yet. I'm on my second bait already. Just replaced the first one because it died. We'll see from here. So far, I have 3 more baits in my bucket, still alive. Let's just hang around for maybe another hour. And if there's a bite, let's call it a day. You know, it's still good to be out here anyway. That's what fishing all about, you know. Get outside, feel the fresh air. Yep, stay tuned.